Hi guys, Cindy here. So today I got some Beetles dip powder kit in the mail. Let's open it. Well, I got it yesterday. I got it from Amazon because, I like to encapsulate. Well, I'm wanting to encapsulate, but as you watched my previous videos, I've been having problems with them. I don't want to do acrylic. With working full time, I really don't have the time to develop the real skill level to do it. So I just kind of want something that sort of doesn't take a drill, doesn't really take a lamp, to do things. That, I can just do things with a little nail file or something. Okay, let's see if we can do this. And I don't want a lot of chemicals on my nails. So no matter what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using it on tips. I did pull out some tips. Hopefully we will have time to do a little tryout. And this is my first time. I have practiced a little bit with some dip powders I purchased. I bought them for St. Patrick's Day, but they didn't send everything in. Okay, so now this comes with a kit of some tools. I'm happy about that. And I did get this on Amazon. And I don't think it was too expensive. I will post a link in the description once I get around to doing everything. Oh, so I've got some little tool here. I'm not sure what that's for. And a brush and a file. Now this says gel polish, but I ordered a dip powder kit. So, okay, good. I actually do have dips. I was about to kind of fret a little bit. And this was supposed to be for 4th of July. And then it comes with some instructions. And it comes with these 4 bottles of things. So, let's see what the instructions say. Oh, and I did get a box of clear. Because to encapsulate, you would need the clear. So, anyway, the clock just ticked at 6 o'clock, so I do have a few minutes. So I do have a box of clear. The acrylic powder I got on that one little acrylic kit that I got, I couldn't tell the difference of the colors. I'm scared to use it. I don't want to use white when I'm thinking clear. And it did have, anyway, I ruined the brush. That's another reason that's got me not wanting to do it. I mean, if your supplies are that easy to ruin, and I don't want to do it. Okay, it talks about clipping your nails and all that other good stuff. This did not have a brush in it, but I do have another brush, a little brush thingy. Prep the nails. Apply base coat to the entire nail surface and quickly dip the nail at the 45-degree angle into your choice of dipping color powder coating the entire surface. So this is a nice little cuticle tool. So that's good. They give you a little manicure tool. So let's just try it. Okay. Got some paper towels here. Move a little hand out of the way, move my tool out of the way. I have had Beetles polish before, gel polish. This is my first real kit. Okay, so what else we gonna do? Let me get the nails and hope I've got everything I need. I'm gonna use this little adhesive pad because I'm not putting a nail on my finger. I'm just gonna put it on. These are just some cheapo nails I got off Amazon. I don't want to use my nice gel nails. Even the gel nails that I don't really like, I'm gonna have a giveaway. That's 5. I use 5. What size is this? 3. I use 3. 4. I don't use 6, so we will pull out a 6. Anyway, I'm going to have a giveaway, and so even the nails that I don't like, I'm not going to use those if they're gel, if I think that someone might want them in the giveaway. If you're curious about these nails, these are my 1, 2, 3 Go medium sculpted. I did have some green, if you saw my Instagram, which you can look at me. I'm PGMR_64804. And I did have green on yesterday, but then last night I couldn't take no more. And so I refoiled the foils, and I painted the inside of them, outside of them. Some, there was some peekaboo yellows, so I put a little, you know, it's not that neat. It'll get me through work. You know, I don't have to have perfect nails. I mean, I like them as good as they can be, of course. But, you know, I don't have to have perfect nails. So let's, I'm going to use this little tool. Hope I'm not regretting this. And use that as a little sticky thing. There we go. There, now we can use that as a tool. Okay, so let's grab our instructions. I've got them in my lap so I can read them. We're going to ignore the cuticle manicure part. Push back cuticle. Apply a thin base to the entire nail. It doesn't say what it is. It does have numbers on these, so we're just going to assume it's number 1. It doesn't say a thin, says right here's the instructions right here. It says, apply a thin base to the entire nail surface and quickly dip into the nail at a 45-degree angle into your choice of dipping powder colors, coating the entire nail bed and push straight back out. Okay. Pick out the color we want. Let's do, do they have the numbers on the bottles? I'm going to use this peach. I'm going to use something I'm going to be real. Oh, well, this says glitter red. I might like that. Well, let's just go ahead and use that. We're just going to do one now. Let me grab my brush real quick. And these are nice big bottles. I like that. I bought another kit from Amazon, and they was like teeny tiny bottles. And then I ended up having to get the Model 1 dip stuff because they sent me empty bottles for the surprise. And then the seller, whenever I notified them, they said they would give me a refund. They told me just to use the alcohol as the activator and said, that's ridiculous. Why would they have activator? You know, anyway, whatever. So let's read the instructions. So we're going to apply this number 1 coat. We're going to dip in the powder and then pull out. Allow 20 seconds for the nails to dry and then tap off excess powder. Hold the finger straight down and use a clean brush to lightly remove excess powder from around the nail plate. Repeat steps 2 to 3 for 2 or 3 times. And then you have a brush saver, cleans the brush to avoid getting into the base. Okay, so let's see which one is brush saver. Activator type. Okay, number 4 is brush saver. That cleans our brush. That's good. Okay. When you're done using powder, you can use brush saver to clean it by dipping in and shaking the bottle to clean off the powder. Okay. What else does it say? Apply a coat of activator to harden the blend of powders and liquid. Allow 20 seconds to dry. File, shape, and buff. Apply a coat of thick, thin strokes. Okay. I guess that's the top coat. How to do a French? Well, we're not going to worry about French right now. We're going to worry about red glitter right now. Okay. So we've got our nail. Let's open up the red glitter. I do like that little cuticle pusher thing. So, we're going to, and another day. So today we're just going to do a thin coat. We might try to do some encapsulating later, but we don't want the video to be too long. Especially, you know, like, so we'll do number 1. These got kind of interesting bottles here. I don't know what that's about. Maybe that, I have no idea what that's about. But I do like these containers. I did not like those little teeny tiny ones that I bought before. I mean, there's no sticking your finger in that. I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm just painting on the step 1. Okay. This was number 1. Now let's... Now, then we'll use our activator. I'm going to go ahead and open up my brush saver. Oh, that's 4. That's base. Well, this says brush saver. Let's see what this says about brush saver. Apply base to the whole nail. Dip. Allow 20 seconds. Apply. Okay, we're not going to repeat steps. It might be a good idea, but we're not going to repeat. It would just make it more vibrant. Okay. Says dip. Oh, that's for the French. We're not going to do the French. It says okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I had the thing flipped over. Okay, allow 20 seconds and then tap off. We did that. Hold finger straight down and use a clean brush to remove excess. So let's remove excess with a clean brush. It's kind of, this is what color it's supposed to be. It looks orange to me. Maybe we should do a second coat, just to be sure. Repeat steps 2 to 3 times. Coverage. Okay. So this is what it looks like now. Well, let's go ahead and do 1. And I don't know what this brush saver's about. Why did they give me a brush inside of it? Unless that's all they have. I mean, I'm happy to save the brush. More base coat. So we'll just do 2 coats. Put in the brush saver. Now then we're going to dip. Tap off. Okay. Then we're going to dust off. And then I'm going to put a lid on. Looks kind of orange to me. Then we're going to do Activator. I don't know, it looks kind of orange to me. Maybe I just don't know what red looks like. Maybe that's what's going on. Let's do the brush saver. I hope the bottles weren't in the way. I'm sorry if they were. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Putting the 4 back here and 2 back here. Now let's do a top coat. Top. What does it say about top? Apply a coat of activator. Okay, file and buff. Okay, let's file and buff. They gave us a file. It says 80, 100, but I don't know which side's 80 and which side's 100. I guess this is more coarse, so it's probably the... Okay, we filed and buffed. Maybe didn't do a great job, but we filed and buffed. Dust off, nail, and clean. We're dusting it off. Apply, I think I was supposed to do that before I did the top coat. Oh well. Apply a coat of top in quick thin strokes. Allow 30 seconds for nail to dry. Apply a second coat of top. Allow to dry 2 minutes. Okay, well we're just going to draw 2 coats. So here's the top. So when I do this on my own nails, what I'll do is I'll put the plain nails on, and then I'll do it on my fingers and not on an actual nail. So this is what the red glitter is supposed to look like. I don't know, it might look like red. I didn't do a good job of the filing. We did it pretty quick, but we just did. So I would like to try encapsulation, but I think I'm going to try that on my own, and then maybe we'll do a video doing encapsulation. Typically, I plan on putting like some chunky glitter and then encapsulating in clear, but I do want to watch a few more videos. I saw a few videos. I can't really name any names, but I have saw a few. So that's all for today, and I will chat with you later. Bye-bye.